Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare the Acura RDX A-Spec versus technology package. Let's dive into what makes each trim unique, helping you decide which one best suits your driving style and preferences. We'll explore the distinct features, design elements, and technological advancements that set these two popular Acura RDX options apart. Understanding these differences is key to making an informed choice for your next luxury SUV. The A-Spec package is all about a dynamic, athletic look and feel. You'll notice its aggressive styling with exclusive 20-inch shark gray wheels and gloss black exterior trim. Inside, the cabin boasts sport seats with ultra-soothe inserts, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and striking red gauge illumination, creating an immersive and performance-oriented environment for the driver and passengers alike. It truly elevates the sporty essence of the RDX. Moving to the technology package, the focus shifts to enhanced comfort and advanced features. This trim elevates your driving experience with a premium audio system and an intuitive navigation system. You'll also appreciate the convenience of front and rear parking sensors, making tight spots much easier to navigate. The interior features perforated leather seats, offering a more refined and sophisticated cabin environment for all occupants. So, which Acura RDX is the perfect fit for you? If you prioritize a bold, sporty aesthetic and a more engaging driving feel, the A-Spec package is likely your ideal choice. However, if advanced technology, premium comfort, and sophisticated convenience features are at the top of your list, the technology package will serve you well. Both offer an exceptional luxury SUV experience, just with different emphasis. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.